Good evening. पिता सर्ग पिता धर्म पिता ही परमं तपः पितरि प्रतिमा सन्निप्रियन्ते सर्वदेवता. Best wishes of Pitri Paksh, the fortnight which we dedicate for the Pitris, Pitriloks, and our ancestors. Generally, ancestors are called as Pitri. It's a very auspicious time and very best time to offer our dedications to our ancestors. And at the end of this Pitri Paksh or this duck fortnight, when it is the Amavas will come, all the ancestors come near by this world to get the dedications, the homage and offerings from their predecessors, from their sons and siblings. তো পিতৃপক্ষের এই শুভলগ্নে সকলকে আমার শুভেচ্ছা এবং পিতৃপক্ষের এই সময়ে পিতৃলোক থেকে যারা আসেন তাদের উদ্দেশ্যে শ্রদ্ধা জানিয়ে সকলকে কর্তব্য কর্ম पितृदेव स्मरण पितृलोक के स्मरण और पितृलोक के लिए जो भी कुछ करने का श्रद्धा अर्पण करने का है ये समय इसके लिए दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम. एनीवे, अबाउट माय विजन ऑन स्पिरिचुअलिटी, I was on the Sapta Achar of our spiritual proceedings, and the Sapta Achar, the rituals has been so far been cleared to all that how the Achar and the rituals has been evaluated. The evolution has been taken place from the Vedic era to this Kali Yuga. And there were many such permutation combinations and many such उतार चढ़ाव बहुत सारी ऐसी हुई है. অনেক উত্থান পতনের ভেতর দিয়ে আজকের যে বর্তমান আধ্যাত্মিক জগৎ, আজকে সেই জগতে it is quite normal that we have lost a long lifespan and we are in a very short lifetime. And the average span of our life has become within 60 to 70 years. And within this time, we have to capture all the spiritual resultings through some technique we can avail it of. And that is the usage and the utility of Tantra. Tantrer প্রয়োগ এবং তন্ত্রের প্রয়োজনীয়তা. কেন সকলেই বলেন, why Tantra was been necessitated? Because of the Ved was a vast space of knowledge. Veder বিশালত্ব, Veder জ্ঞান, Vedic mantras, they were long enough, and the time also and the system also was long. And the saints, the monks, Rishi Munis and their disciples, they used to commemorate it within their memory. They used to preserve it. মনের ভেতরে এগুলোকে ধরে রাখতে হতো, প্রচুর সমস্যা ছিল. এবং তাদের they have got long lifespan, and through that they can make the sadhana, they can make the penance, they can make the tapasya. তারা তপস্যা করতে পারত. But the thing is that in Puranic Yug, when the natural gods like the air, ether, the boom, the Rudra, the Marut, the Agni, the fire, the earth, Vasudha, all this had taken form in the Puranic era. Sabai, Marut, Agni, জল of Narayan, এরা সবাই মূর্তি গ্রহণ করলেন. They all had taken forms of Puranic gods and goddesses. And finally the energy was been prevalent. Energy on or power. Power was the main thing to achieve. That was the necessity of the Kali Yuga. And the Puranic Yuga, from the Puranic Yuga, people necessitated the power. People thought the essentials of power and energy. When they was in need of capturing something, they have to utilize power. They have to utilize energy. কিছু পেতে গেলে তোমাকে শক্তি প্রয়োগ করতে হবে, বল প্রয়োগ করতে হবে. Now the energy and power, the energy of power, from where it will be evolved, how it will be generated, from the invention, discovery of fire. আগুনের আবিষ্কার থেকে শুরু হয়ে গেল. The development of science, it began from the discovery of fire. The fire was been used for various types of developments like cooking, making weapons, and all these things. And ultimately, to utilize those weapons, সেই অস্ত্রগুলোকে ব্যবহার করার জন্য उस शस्त्र को व्यवहार करने के लिए जो जरूरत होता था वो था ये merit. And that merit is also based on the technique and the tantra. And finally, ultimately, there came the necessity of being empowered with some spiritual power. And they feel, and still we feel that no money power, no manpower, no muscle power, no weapon power is sufficient until and unless spiritual power is there. আধ্যাত্মিক শক্তি যতক্ষণ না আসছে অর্থবল, জনবল, শক্তি, পেশি বল, কোনো বলই বল নয়. আর তাই শুরু হলো the aradhana of Shakti, and Shakti aradhana was being necessitated. And Shakti aradhana, those people who started Shakti aradhana, they became the Shakta cult, in the Shakta cult. There also was the Vaishnava Aradhana, Shaiva Aradhana, Ganapata Aradhana, several types of Aradhana, several types of gods were there to whom the people directed as their deity, to whom they started to offer their faith and belief. That's the schools became developed, Ganapata school, Shaurya school. And finally, the Shakta are the priests, the worshippers of Shakti or energy, the goddess. Shakta sadhanar, এই পথটাই, it became very popular, बहुत जनप्रिय हो गया. और Shakta cult became very important in India. And the Shakta sadhana, it is concerned with Shakti, since it is concerned with Shakti. And it is also felt that Shakti is not departed from Shiva, and Shiva Shakti became the base of this spirituality, this type of Shakti sadhana, Shakta cult. Anyway, there was no clash amongst the schools. Shakta, Shaiva, Vaishnava, Ganapata, Shauri, all were somehow interdependent in those days, and still that also we start our puja, and the system is developed, that is with the Pancha Devata. the pujan of Panchadevata. And finally, in the Panchadevata serial, it is the Shakti Devi. Panchadevata means not only Devata, four are gods and one is goddess. That is, first is Ganapati, second is Surya, third is Narayana or Vishnu, fourth is Shiva, and fifth is Devi, goddess, Durga, or Kali, Shakti. So this type of cult became generated, and there were many schools also evolved, also they developed, and those schools also became scattered all over in India, and accordingly the style and types of sadhana that also become different types. That also differentiated during time. It became somehow reformed through many sadhakas and many researchers, those who came during this time, especially in Kali Yuga, Dapar Yuga, Sri Ramchandra, Sri Krishna Bhagavan in Dapar Yuga, in Treta Yuga it was Ramchandra who did the pujan, Akal Bodhan, it said. Also, Sri Krishna also had the puja of Devi Katyayani, Yogamaya, and Devi Durga also. And finally, in the Kali Yuga, the ninth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Buddha Dev, he was also keen to do this Shakti sadhana, and for this reason, so far it is heard that he had gone to Tibet, and from there the Tibetan Buddhist Tantra was been developed, and all sorts of schools and feelings and all sorts of conceptions. This conceptual combinations give rise to the Tantra conception of this Indian subcontinent, and this Tantra has been developed. তন্ত্র এমনিভাবেই তন্ত্র উন্নত হয়েছে, তন্ত্র এগিয়ে এসছে, অনেক শাখা প্রশাখায় এসেছে, এবং সেই শাখা প্রশাখাগুলির মধ্যে থেকে আমরা কিছু নাম করতে পারি: বৌদ্ধতন্ত্র, জৈনতন্ত্র, শৈবতন্ত্র, শাক্ততন্ত্র, বৈষ্ণবতন্ত্র, সৌরতন্ত্র, গানপত্যতন্ত্র, এগুলো সবই দেখ একটি ধারা, এবং সেই সব ধারাগুলোয় বহু সাধক তারা বিভিন্ন রকমভাবে ক্ষেত্র বিশেষে এই সাধনাগুলো করে গেছেন। বৌদ্ধতন্ত্রের মধ্যে আবার তিব্বতী তন্ত্র, মন্ত্রযান, সহজযান, কালচক্রযান ইত্যাদি প্রধান আছে। শৈবতন্ত্রের মধ্যে পাশুপতন্ত্র, কাপালিকতন্ত্র, কালমুখতন্ত্র, রসেশ্বরতন্ত্র, ব্যাকরণতন্ত্র, বীর শৈবতন্ত্র, শৈব সিদ্ধান্ততন্ত্র, প্রত্যভিজ্ঞা দর্শন ইত্যাদি বিভিন্ন রকমের আছে। শাক্ততন্ত্রের মধ্যে আবার কৌলাচার আছে, কৌলতন্ত্র আমি আগেই বলেছি, তারপরে আছে, তার আগে ছিল সময়াচার। সময়াচার এবং কৌলাচার মিলে একটা মিশ্র ভাবও আছে। দেখুন, কৌল বা তন্ত্র বেদ বাহ্য নহে, যদিও বেদ তন্ত্রকে স্বীকার করে না, বিকজ বেদ ওয়াজ ভেরি অ্যান্সিয়েন্ট, অ্যান্ড দি Vedic rishis was not existent in the Kaulik era and at the time of the evolution of Kaulachar. And finally, so there were some complicated feelings and some mixed feelings and some mixed utilization, mixed culture of Tantra, Shakta Tantra sadhana in our India, in our country, and the difference is nothing much complication, but the difference in utilization and culture and the applications that will be discussed later on. Now it is, I think, sufficient that we have to proceed further after knowing the base of all these things, all these tantric evolutions. Then only we shall be able to go to the perfection of this tantra sadhana. Okay, for today it's sufficient. Thank you very much. Jai Mata.